Thanks for choosing Skylink. Now today, we're going to install Adams Skylink Net-enabled garage door opener with a sectional rail system for a chain drive on a sectional garage door. On the center line, note the highest point of travel for your garage door and mark 1.5 to 2 inches above that point. If you have a one-piece garage door, please consult the instruction manual for more information. Center the bracket on the center line. The bottom edge of the bracket should align with your marking. With your power tools, drill two 3/16" pilot holes and then attach the header bracket with the 2 lag screws that are provided for you. Do not mount the header bracket upside down. Reposition the opener to lean against the header bracket. Connect the pulley bracket to the header bracket by sliding a clevis pin through both brackets, securing with the hitch pin. Raise the opener and rest it on top of a ladder. Attach the opener to the drop brackets, ensuring that the rail is centered over the door. Install the door bracket on the reinforced area on the center of the garage door's top panel. Refer to your installation guide for proper location and attachment methods. With a sectional door, connect the curved door arm to the door bracket with a clevis pin and hitch pin. Then, connect the straight door arm to the trolley with the clevis pin and the hitch pin. With a one-piece door, you'll want to consult your instruction manual for more information. Connect the 2 door arms together. Select holes far apart from each other to increase the arm's rigidity. Congratulations! You've installed your garage door opener. Wall console and safety sensor installation. Thanks so much for choosing Skylink, the Adams Skylink Net-enabled deluxe wall console and the safety sensors. Now remember, this video is for demonstration purposes only. Step 1. To install the wall console, let's start by connecting the bell wires to your wall console by screwing them into the back of the console. The wires are not polarity sensitive. Step 2. Mount the console onto the wall. Step 3. Route the remaining bell wire up the wall to the opener. Then, secure the bell wire with the included wire holders. Step 4. Connect the wires to the opener's green terminals with the wall button icon. The terminals are not polarity sensitive either. Then place one wire into the positive and one wire into the negative terminal. Congratulations on installing your garage door wall console. Next, we're going to install the safety sensors. Step 1. Mount the bracket onto the door track on either side of the garage, between 4 and 6 inches above the ground. If it doesn't mount, you'll want to consult the instruction manual for other installation options. Step 2. Route the remaining wire up the wall to the opener. Twist the like-colored wires together and insert them into the green terminals with the safety sensor icon. These terminals are not polarity sensitive either. Step 3. Plug in your AC power cord into an approved power source. The red light on the safety sensor should turn on. Step 4. When the safety beams are aligned, the receiving blue sensor should have a continuous blue LED light that's visible. Congratulations on installing your garage door safety sensors. Program the travel limits, force, and wireless controls. Thank you for choosing Skylink. Today, we're going to take just a couple of minutes and program the Adams Plus Skylink Net-enabled garage door travel limits, force, and wireless controls. Please note that this video is for demonstration purposes only. Step 1. Let's start by plugging your garage door opener into an approved power source. Step 2. Press and hold the program button for 5 seconds until the LCD displays the number 1. Step 3. Press and hold the up button until the door is fully open. Step 4. Press the Set button to confirm the upward distance. The LCD will display the number 2. Step 5. Press and hold the Down button until the door is fully closed. When it's close to the ground, tap the button until it's fully closed. Step 6. Press the Set button to confirm the downward distance. The LCD will display the number 3. Step 7. Press the Set button to let the garage door run through its opening cycle. The LCD will display the number 4. Then, press the Set button again to run the closing cycle. The LED this time will display the letter F. Step 8. Press the Up or Down button to set the force. Now, if you're unsure of the different settings, go ahead and keep it at the automatic setting 0. Press the Set button to confirm the force. Step 9. The console display will flash the remote icon. Step 10. Press the button on the remote that you would like to program. The garage door opener will beep, and the remote icon will be solid. Step 11. To program your keypad, just press the Up button. Then, type in your chosen 4-digit PIN code and the number sign. Step 12. Press the Set button. Next, just follow the prompts on the screen and set the clock and the remote lock. Congratulations! You've programmed your travel limits, force, and wireless controls.